Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get XP Msm step by step. Start by opening the MSM panel and checking your current XP and reward thresholds. Next, focus on actions that reliably grant XP and prioritize those tasks first. Balance high-yield activities with faster, repeatable tasks to keep momentum. Track your progress each session and adjust routines based on efficiency and enjoyment to sustain long-term gains. Pick activities that consistently reward both XP and MSM and slot them into your routine. Rotate between high-reward quests and quick, repeatable tasks to keep progress steady. When possible, team up for group content that boosts MSM rewards or shortens task duration. Aim to finish prioritized objectives first each session, so leftover time can go toward bonus farming or skill training for even more efficient XP gains. Focus on small optimizations that compound over time to increase XP and MSM returns. Keep inventory tidy and be mindful of ability cooldowns to minimize downtime between actions. Spend resources on temporary boosts or gear only when they clearly improve efficiency. Regularly review your weekly performance and tweak your schedule so the most efficient tasks get priority and less effective activities are reduced or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.